Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you how to do these cool gold plastic wrap nails. I really like how these turned out and I really hope you do too. So if you're interested to see how I did these, then keep on watching. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I want to start off by showing you my nails that I had on for a while now. It's this shade called Bite Me from Glitterbels. It's one of their gel polishes and I've been looking for this kind of color pretty much everywhere. It's like that perfect plum / aubergine color, and I wanted to come on YouTube and do some plastic wrap nails because I've kind of been wanting to do them for a long time now, but I've just been focusing on polygel really. But here I'm just using like an old top coat that I have, and I'm mixing in some of that Bite Me shade, and I'm basically just going to mix it. I don't know how much to add, so I'm kind of just going slow here. I didn't want to add too much. And I'm using this random gel brush that I think I got from Amazon. Everything I'm using I will be linking down below as well. And I'm just applying a layer of that on my nail. Now I have done these nails on my channel before, and some people recommended to use builder gel. Now I didn't have builder gel for this part of the video, so I am just using a top coat that is kind of thick, and I mixed that in, so I was hoping that did work. So here I am just placing the plastic wrap, and I'm using my fingers to just scrunch that about, and then I cure that for 60 seconds. It's pretty straightforward, and then I pulled it off, realizing that it didn't really look right. But don't worry, because I'm gonna show you guys like how to do it properly later, because it will look good on a different finger, so maybe ignore this one. So now I'm going in with this gold chrome shimmer that I really love. It's from a nail brand called nailedbyk.com, and it's an American brand, and she kindly sent me some of her products to try out, and I have been loving them ever since. I've talked about her products in some other videos as well, and this is amazing because it comes with the applicator already in the bottle. She sells a range of foils, loose glitters that come in different sizes. She has chromes, she has the neon powders, and they all are really well packaged, and you get a really good amount as well. So I will definitely link her down below, and I want you guys to check it out because it's really good. So now I'm just filing some of that extra bit because when we scrunch it up, it creates kind of like this really bumpy surface. So when you file that down, you're going to basically reveal that nice purple underneath, and that's pretty much like the whole point of the plastic wrap nails. It's like it creates like this cool effect. I really like it. Unfortunately, it didn't look so great on this finger, but I promise it will look really good on the ring finger. And my builder gel came just in time for this video. Like, I was honestly so lucky because I was really hoping I had this with me, and it had come just in time, so that was great. So I thought, let me just start using it, and instead of capping it with acrylic, I thought let me try and do it with the hard gel. Now this is a hard gel from Renmo that they've sent me as well, and it was my first time trying it. It is really stiff, which I believe is what builder gel is supposed to be like. It is really good at not moving, which I've had some problems with other gels moving into my cuticle, but this one just did not move. It felt so stiff, so I actually really liked it, and I found that it like created a nice smooth even layer over the plastic wrap nails, and it looks really good in the end. So this was from Amazon, by the way, in case you're wondering. They are available on Amazon, so do check that out. And here I'm just building a bit of an apex with that gel. I'm not really like any pro at applying builder gel. I just kind of go with it. I'm still kind of in the learning process. So now for the ring finger, I've applied some top coat, and I'm basically just wanted to have this gold chrome all over my middle finger because it just looked really nice, and I like how these two colors complement each other. So here I am just going over that whole nail, and that's what that looks like, and I really liked it. I thought it looked really nice. And so now finally I was able to mix that build gel into that color, and I was just mixing and mixing, and then everything just melted in perfectly together. It was really easy to work with. And then as soon as I applied this to my nail, I realized that the consistency of the gel on the thumb was completely wrong, because it was so different. Like, this was so like thick in a way that I could see how the plastic wrap could like push into this and create that kind of weird texture and not be so flat. So you'll see what I mean when I do this. So this time I'm gonna use like the pointy end of my cuticle pusher, and already you can see it's creating it's giving off a much better like effect compared to before. It's not flat because that builder gel is so stiff that it just holds where you push it. So I was really excited about this nail. I'm just trying to get it as perfect as I can. And now I'm just peeling off that plastic wrap, and as you can see, it looks, you can't really tell much, but when I apply the pigment and I file, it looks right. It doesn't look like the thumb. However, I did have some gel really spilling over the side, so I just took my nippers and I just cut that away. And then I'm just going over with that chrome powder, and I'm just going all over that, and it was really nice. It was looking really good once I started filing it, as you'll see in a minute. Well, you see it when I top coat it really, but you can already start to see how it looks much nicer. It gives off a really cool effect, like already just like that, it looks really cool. And now I'm going to top coat it, and you can see that I did it right. Like, I was just so happy with this nail. It wasn't perfect on the edges, and I could definitely do with some more practice, but then I started to top coat both of them because I didn't want to ruin them or start thinking about them too much and then adding on top. So I just top coated it so I know I wouldn't change it. And I'm going in with the shade Bite Me again. I really like this color in two coats. It's really like nice and dark. It doesn't look patchy really, but yeah. And I just applied one coat to my fingers for this video, and I decided to do a bit of marbling, I guess. It's not really marbling, but I was kind of going for that effect. It didn't really work out, but it did look really good, and I was still really happy with it. So I kept it how it is now, and I just basically picked up some of that chrome powder on my wet gel brush, and it helped to apply that powder on top. And I really like these two colors together, and this is like what the whole set looked like, and it just looked really nice. I really like these two colors together. Let me know down below if you agree. Do you think these two colors look good together? I personally love them together. This is like one of the two colors I used to use back in the day when I had like my small nails, my natural small nails. This is what I used to wear. So it's nice to be able to create these on these long nails, and it looks much nicer. And now I'm gonna add more butterflies to the other fingers as well. And these are just some gold butterflies I got from AliExpress. I thought this looked cute, so I just added it on. And now lastly, I'm just gonna add some cuticle rhinestones to the middle finger because I felt it did look a little bit plain. And these rhinestones have like a flecks of gold in them, so they were really nice and complemented the gold on this nail really well. I'll show you that now. There you go, you can see that gold flecks. And now that I'm done with those, I'm just gonna apply some cuticle oil, and that was it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please let me know what you thought of these nails down below. Do you like them? Do you hate them? what do you think of the plastic wrap like nail? Like, what do you think of that? Does it look good? It was really fun to do these, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.